Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have an unboxing from HelloFresh, and HelloFresh is one of the companies. They deliver fresh ingredients and menu cards to your door, and you make the recipes at home. Let's check it out and see what we received in this week's box. So when you receive it, this is how it comes packed. We have some information here at the top. Put that aside for now. This is the way it keeps everything fresh and cold, and it is recyclable. So you open it up and you have your kit bags. This one is Gouda pork burgers. The next one is the Mexican chicken and rice bowl. They also sent some coconut water. And then at the bottom, you'll see how it's packed with these ice packs. And then they put the meat underneath that. I have 2 packs of chicken and ground pork. With the ice packs they sent, when you're finished with them, you cut a corner, you empty the contents into the trash, and then you recycle the plastic section. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's check it out and see what is actually in here. First of all, they send an envelope and some coupons, all coupons, and they explain why we received this Core Organic Hydration. It's just a free gift in everyone's box this week. I got tropical coconut. Apparently there's also blueberry, watermelon, lemon, and peach mango. HelloFresh is very easy. You go online. There's a variety of recipes to choose from each week. This week, the first recipe I chose, Gouda pork burgers, and they send you the recipe cards with easy step-by-step instructions. So let's check it out. Let's see what is in my kit bag for the burgers. Oh, here we go. Here's the truth about HelloFresh. This actually never happens, but it looks like my pack of mayonnaise cracked open, and it's kind of all over everything. But it really, at the end of the day, this is just mayonnaise, so not a huge loss. But there are 2 packs of buns. The next item they sent was mayonnaise, and again, we had a little accident here, but really not super tragic. They even send the spices. This is the smoked paprika. This burger is served with potato wedges, so they sent about 4 potatoes. Some potatoes in here and some onions. Oh, it wasn't the mayonnaise. It's I found the culprit. It's the sour cream. The sour cream popped open. So I have a little sour cream on everything, but not the end of the world. Cheese, another potato, sriracha, garlic, and a lime. And here is the pork that they sent to use with the burger. So that was my first recipe. The second recipe I chose for this week is Mexican chicken and rice bowls. And this is only a prep time of 5 minutes, total of 20 minutes. So this one should be quick and easy. Let's check out the kit bag. Southwest Spice Blend, scallions, jasmine rice, chicken stock concentrate, hot sauce, more sour cream, and all of these look like they are in good condition, tomatoes, limes, and turmeric. And they sent chicken breast strips to go with this one. So this one actually looks super quick and easy. Again, they send the recipe card with all the instructions. So we'll check it out and see how it is. I started the burger recipe making the potato wedges, and those were absolutely delicious. Just threw them in the oven with some olive oil and paprika, and they were a huge hit. The caramelized onion actually gave the burger such a delicious pop with the sour cream mayonnaise at the bottom. And here is the finished product. It was delicious. I would definitely make this again. The chicken bowl started out great with the rice, the jasmine rice, chicken stock, and turmeric. This was delicious. I will definitely recreate this rice. The problem was when I started the chicken, I realized I was missing the pepper. I sent a quick message to HelloFresh and they sent me a $12.79 credit in a blink of an eye, so that was great. I had an extra onion on hand, so I just threw that in place of the pepper, and voila, we had our finished bowl, and it was delicious and it was very unique, but my youngest actually asked for seconds, so this was a hit. Thank you, HelloFresh.